have my chopped up carrots, my potatoes, my peppers, tomatoes, vegetables, seasonings, pastas, tomato sauce, rotel, garlic, well, not fresh garlic, minced garlic, garlic powder, bay leaves, black pepper, sesame oil, chicken broth. My husband is actually
the secret.
You're not cooking if you don't have, Sazon, Goya. You know what I'm saying? Everybody needs that. And
tomatoes?
Some chicken breasts. Yes, I have my variety of Wow Wonder tomatoes.
How many meals can we make? These gonna be smothered potatoes, but now they're just boiling.
Okay.
Seasoned, then I'm gonna saute them.
Here's the real chef in the house. I'm just the belly. I can't. We finna make some a la lo. Make it up as we go.
Okay, you start video.
Wait a minute, she on. There's nothing like a sexy man in the kitchen.
Sexy beast.
Sexy beef. Sexy chocolate. Sexy chocolate. Ooh, this how babies get made. In the wintertime.
Wintertime food.
Good thing we got powdered milk.
But you better take them shoes off and get in here, and cause you know they say barefoot and pregnant. Get in there, take them shoes off.
Shoes off? Ain't nothing but toe jam.
Whoa. Those tomatoes are pretty.
Yeah, they are pretty. They are pretty. I just love them, guys. Mmm. Fire blade. Oh, it smells so good in here. I'm coming back, guys. I'm being nosy. Those are smothered potatoes. Smelling so delicious and scrumptious. Scrumptiously delicious. Crunches when you crunching on a chicken stock and water and bay leaves.
Because we don't swallow it.
I'm forever the one getting the bay leaf, guys. He always put 2 or 3 in his mixture or whatever, and I'm always the one that finds and eats on the bay leaf, crunch down on it and be like, oh, you forgot to pull the bay leaf off. I'm all up in the pot.
Hot edda.
Guys, don't mind the stove. It will be cleaned. You're here from the shelf. You gotta mess it up first.
Yes, ma'am. They call them smothered potatoes.
And I'll be back.
Because you gotta smother them. Where's my smotherer? Here you go. The smother.
Alrighty. Ooh. Oh, that looks good. That's gonna be. Guys, I'm finna have my chicken fried chicken, and a stew What would you do? Honey Meal Maker Joe. Honey Meal, 100 Meal Making Joe in the house. In the house. In the house. In the house.
$100 million 4 ingredients.
Ah, look at that. Tender, tender, tender. Chicken fried chicken. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that plate. Ooh, you can see it's so tender. It's falling off, falling apart. I want my stuff crunchy, crispy, so when I take these no teeth of mine and my gums and bite into it, it melts in my mouth. Ooh, that's some deliciousness right there. Guys, this was having a shelf to do for you. Ooh. Thumbs up to the chef, guys. Y'all see me? Thumbs up to the chef.
Yeah, don't burn our chicken.
Yeah, don't burn it, baby. Don't burn it.
Yeah.
Can't wait. What's in the pot there?
Yeah, you got this.
Ooh, look at that smoke.
It's all vegetables.
All vegetables. Ooh, talk about a big old pot of vegetable soup.
They delicious. We got veggie soup. We got potatoes. We got baked chicken. We got fried chicken. We got
And it's just me and my husband. You're scrubbing down there. It's a house full of folks. Beep, 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 beep. That's all, folks. Just us.
And you.
There's my homemade Alfredo sauce, guys, for my fried chicken. That looks so scrumptious. I can't wait to eat.
Getting there.
Gotta thicken up. Gotta thicken up. Gotta thicken up. Oh, while he play the game.
Watch it.
Oh, watch the game. Not play the game. Watch the game. So guys, look at that. That looks so delicious. I am ready to eat. I just need a little piece. I'm just snacking. Oh, you see how that broke off so easy? I gotta make room, guys. Chicken in the oven looking great. Look at that fog, just that smoke. Yes. Oh, look at those peppers in there. I love peppers, guys. I know I'm just getting a little bit because I only eat a little bit. I don't want to get too much and waste it. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Oh my goodness, I want every drop off the spoon. Listen. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness. So look how tender that is. Y'all see how it just broke away? Guys, that is so delicious. Oh, MJ. And as always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. Thank you.